Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to get the online payment status of transactions sent directly from TallyPrime using connected banking. This gives you a real-time visibility of whether a payment has been processed, failed, or is pending. This also reduces the need for tracking the payments externally, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. Before you get the online payment status, ensure that you have logged into connected banking and your bank is connected to TallyPrime. Now, let's see how to get the online payment status. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. Then drill down from the ePayments column for a specific bank ledger. In the ePayments report, drill down from the Sent to Bank, Unreconciled section. Select the transactions and press F10 to get the online payment status. The status is received from the bank and you can view a summary. You can view the bank account along with the number of payments against the specific statuses. Press Escape. In the report, you can find the details of the transaction such as payment status, reference number, instrument number. Here, you can see that the payment is successful. You can now reconcile the transactions by getting the statement from within TallyPrime using connected banking. To learn more about the process, watch our video. If the payment has failed, then you can take the appropriate action to resolve it. If one or more transactions are rejected, either by the approver or the bank, then the status will be rejected. The payment status can also be failed due to errors that occurred while sending or processing the payment. In the Sent to Bank, Unreconciled section, you can view the reason for rejection or failure. Let's reset the status of this payment. Select the transaction and press F8. Press Y to confirm. Now, let's alter the transactions to resolve the errors based on the reason for rejection or failure. Once you reset the payment status, you can send the payment. Now, there might be situations in which the status of the payment is unknown. This happens when the status of the payment is not clear or is uncertain. In such a case, go to the ePayments report, press Shift-Enter on the transaction to check the transaction details. You can then either mark the transaction as processed manually or reset the status if you want to resend it. If there are no errors, as you can see here, then you can press F10 to get the online payment status of the transaction. As you can see, the payment status appears here. If you see an error, then you can always reset the payment status, resolve the transaction, and then send the payment again. To learn how to send payments based on your bank's payment flow, refer to the links given in the description. As you saw, it takes seconds to know the real-time status of your payments. This helps you stay updated about the payments and take timely actions. Thank you. On any